Hey everybody, it's Laura Angel and Joy Anderson at the DeSoto County Extension Office. We just wanted to pop on here and say hi to everybody. Hope everybody's doing okay. We are bringing you a live today about our Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go kits. And so I just wanted to show everybody what's in this week's kit. We have plenty available. They're out in the hallway, located at 3260 Highway 51 South in Hernando, Mississippi in DeSoto County. So come and grab a Extension Grab and Go kit. And so let me show you what is in your kit this week. We have several things in here. We have the information about how to make a bow. And so you can go back and watch our video from Friday to see how to make a bow. You have information on a sweet Mississippi flower bowl, and we're fixing to show you how to make a Mississippi flower bowl. And you also have an adult coloring book, and so this one's really cool. You get to color and learn about color schemes and learn about design in there. And we also have a publication on using your knife to cut fresh flowers. And so you have the supplies in your kit in order to, you have ribbon and you have a wire so that you can make a bow this week. So that's what's in your kit. And so join Joy now, and she is going to show you how to make a sweet Mississippi flower bowl. So Joy, take it away and show us how to do a flower bowl.
Okay, so we've got a little base bowl, and I've already prepped it by putting water in it and the plant food so that it's keep them fresh. I went out and Laura went to the store and bought some flowers, and I went through the yard and I picked out some stuff. And so I've got the greenery, which is one of the first things that we're going to put in. We're going to just very quickly, you shouldn't have to think about it a whole lot. You're going to want to cut at a 45-degree angle. And you're going to put these in here. And this is just to kind of get things started. I'm going to strip that and start out. I may have to shorten these a little bit later once we get the design going and stuff. But this kind of gives us a backdrop for our flowers.
So the only thing that people have to add this week is the flowers and the vase to the back.
Now then, I do know that at the Hernando Farmers Market, there is somebody who is selling their, there's actually a couple of vendors that are selling flowers at the farmers market. If you don't have them in your backyard and you'd like to go to the farmers market, you can get some Mississippi grown flowers. This one came out of my yard. Greenery came out of my yard. The accent piece I'm going to use came out of my yard. And then Laura bought Moms and Astromarius, and so that's what's going to go into this quickie little arrangement. Typically, you're going to pick 2 or 3 plants. What you're going to do is you want to make sure that your arrangement is, your flowers are double the height of your container. So if I were just to do a quick measurement, I'd do it so that I know that that's about how high it needs to go. I'm going to make that cut. I can always come back and shorten. I can't, once you cut off length, you can't put it back. And I've already prepped these by making sure that the greenery is already off. as you add more flowers, you'll be able to get them to stand up a little bit more like you want them to. This needs to be a little bit shorter. And then I'm going to put in just a little bit of accent stuff. I thought they were kind of interesting.
So they're seed pods? What are
These
they?
are seed pods off the Louisiana iris. It just gives it a little bit, you know,
Little
something else.
character.
Gives it a little bit more of a wild look to it. And there you have it, a sweet Mississippi flower arrangement.
Don't forget to come by the DeSoto County Extension Office and grab your Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go Kit this week. And we hope that you come by and get your kit and share pictures with us, and let us know by either emailing us, dropping us a picture in the in this video comment if you make a Mississippi flower bowl, or give us a text message and send us a picture of your arrangement. We want to know what you're doing and we want to see it. So we hope everybody has a great day, and we look forward to seeing your results.